Hi there, my name is Gajendra Kumar. My friends and I are required to make a simple experiment regarding electromagnetic field theory. These are my group members. The first group did gather some relevant information for the experiment. We also provide the introduction and conclusion. Finally, we also did some editing and compilation of the video. The next group conducted the experiment in their home. These experiments are very simple and quite relatable to our daily lives. Without further ado, let's move on to the experiment.
The repulsive force between two similar charges. When an object is rubbed against a furry fabric, the object acquires electrons and became negatively charged, and the fabric became positively charged. Then if we can create two similar negatively charged objects and place it closely, the object will create a repulsive force between them that bring them away from each other. The objective is to demonstrate the repulsive force between two similar charges. The things that we need is a balloon, a PVC pipe, and a microfiber fabric. The procedure, first step, you had to inflate the balloon about the size of your head. The second step, rub both the PVC pipe against the microfabric and the balloons against a dry human hair. The third step is place the balloon onto a carpet or other insulating floor. Then you can bring the PVC pipe slowly and gradually closer to the balloon until we can observe repulsive force between them. Basically, the balloon will start to move away from the PVC pipe because of the repulsive force.
The materials are styrofoam plates and cloth. The steps are: put two styrofoam plates together at first. They do not repel each other. Then, the two styrofoam plates is rubbed with cloth and put together. The styrofoam plate starts to repel with each other. When the styrofoam plate is rubbed with cloth, it acquires negative charge. So it means that when two styrofoam plates are rubbed with cloth, the surface of the two styrofoam plates are contained with negative charge. As negative charge means negative charge will repel, so the two styrofoam will repel each other at first. However, the surface area of the plate is too big and haven't rubbed many times. Hence, after test twice, the negative charge will elapse and then they can put together.
What you will need for this experiment is a cloth, shredded papers, and of course a comb. The steps are: just rub the cloth together with the comb 10 times, bring the comb to the shredded papers, thus papers will then attract it to the comb. You can observe static electricity if you rub a plastic comb with a cloth, then place the comb near small pieces of paper. The paper is attracted to the comb. This happens because the charged comb induces an opposite charge in the paper, and as opposite charges attract, the paper sticks to the comb. When a comb is rubbed through the cloth, charges pass between the cloth and the comb, so the comb becomes charged either positively or negatively, and the cloth oppositely charged. When the comb is brought close to paper, an opposite charge is induced in the paper, and the opposite charges attract. The charges move from one insulator to another on vigorous contact. For example, through this experiment is by rubbing to produce the two oppositely charged objects. Then polarization of charge is induced. Charges are induced in other insulators close by.
So in the conclusion for our experiment, which is electrostatic. So electrostatic deals with the phenomenon and properties of a stationary or slow moving electric charges. There are few examples that happens in real life that involve electrostatic: laser printers or inkjet printers, attraction of paper to the charge scale, electrostatic precipitators, combing of dry hair towards water, and also lastly lightning, which also involve electrostatic. These are a few examples. Like I said earlier, charged comb attracts the static papers, diagram of the electrostatic precipitator, the laser ink printer, and also lightning. So these are few examples that involves electrostatic. I hope you guys understand more from this experiment and this video, and thank you very much. Take care.